Hello everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about day 5 assignments of 5-day AI Agents Intensive, which is the last and final assignment of 5-day AI Agents Intensive. So here is what we need to complete in this. So complete Unit 5 prototype to production. First, as usual, you need to listen to the podcast episode. Then you need to, if you're not okay with the summary podcast episode, you can go with the PDF white, that is white paper. So if you click this, you will get the podcast, and if you click this, you will get the material of it. So if you're not okay with the podcast, you can go with the PDF. Okay. Next. So there are two tasks which we need to complete. So first one is explore how to use agent to agent protocol to have agents interact with each other. And second one is optional, which is deploy a agent to agent engine on Google Cloud. So in this video, we'll be discussing about 5A. So explore how to use agent to agent protocol. So in the next videos, I will post about 5B. And and I have also posted the videos about all other assignments. So please check it out if you haven't completed it your assignments. So these are the links of the live streams. You can go through it. So now let's complete 5A. So click on explore. So day 5A is about agent to agent communication. So this part of course teaches you how multiple AI agents can talk to each other and work like a team. And think of A2A as a WhatsApp for AI agent. It helps agents send messages, share data and solve tasks together. Even if they are built using different programming languages, they run in different frameworks, they are in different companies or servers. So, what you will learn in this notebook? First one, what A2A is and when to use it, different design and patterns used in real world multi agent, how to use a remote agent as if it was running on your own system, how to build a small system where one agent can fetch product details from another. So we can say that A2A agent helps AI agents work together even if they are built differently. This notebook show you how to create, share and use such connected agents easily. Next, the overview of agent to agent. What is the problem? So as you build more complex AI system, you'll find that a single agent can't do everything. Means one agent can't do all the tasks. It needs help of someone. So you need agents to collaborate. So in order to overcome that, you need to collaborate with some other agent. Different teams build different agents. So there are different teams who builds different agents. So you need to integrate them. Agents may use different languages or framework. You need a standard communication protocol because they use different languages and frameworks. So what are the solutions for that? So A2A protocol is a standard that allows agents to communicate over networks. So agents can be on different machines, right? So it helps to communicate over networks. So use each other's capabilities. One agent can call another agent like a tool. Work across frameworks. Language framework agnostic. Maintain formal contracts. Agent cards describe capabilities. So here is the common A2A architecture patterns. The A2A protocol is particularly useful in three scenarios. So it is useful in three scenarios, and here are the three scenarios. When to use A2A? Cross framework, cross language, cross organization. So what is this cross framework integration? See now every agent is built using like some different framework. For example, one agent is built using Google ADK, another is built using LangChain, another is using Crew AI. So these are different. They need to collaborate, right? In order to collaborate, this A2A agent provides a common language to talk to each other. So in this way, A2A is useful in cross framework. In cross language, how it is useful in cross language? So one agent will be written in one language or it needs the help from another language. So here the AI agent helps them. So languages cannot talk directly, but A2A agent lets agents send messages regardless of language difference. Next one is cross organization boundaries. So it means your company's agent needs to communicate with the external company's agent service. So for that also we need A2A communication. So what this notebook demonstrates. The notebook teaches you how to use A2A agent with a real world example from e-commerce. So let's take the scenario of e-commerce. We'll be building two agents. One is product catalog agent, that is vendor service, which runs on localhost 8001. The purpose is to store product information, product details when asked, acts like external service provided by a vendor. So you cannot modify this agent because it belongs to another company. So next one is customer support agent. This is yours agent. This runs on 8000 and the purpose is to answer customer questions. It uses a A2A agent to ask the product catalog agent for product details. For example, like customers ask, do you have red shoes in stock? Your agent sends request via A2A, then send it to a vendor agent, then returns the product info. So basically what happens is we can see some of the e-commerce website like Flipkart, Amazon. In that we can see a chatbot. We can see a chatbot. So this Flipkart is a separate company's website. So it comes under vendor service. Here's the customer agent. Here's the chatbot is customer agent, which belongs to you. So these both are different. They are built with different frameworks. They are built with different languages. They belongs to different companies. Although they integrate with each other, they work together because A2A agent helps them to communicate, collaborate. So this is the importance of A2A agent. So here is a decision table. So this table helps us to decide when to use A2A agent and when to use local sub agents. So in simple words, we can say we use A2A agent when we want to talk to external agents, and we use local sub agents when everything is in your project. So first one, agent location. If the other agent is on another computer, then you need to use A2A. If the agent is in your project, then use sub agent. If another company team owns that agent, use A2A. If you build both agents, use sub agent. Next, network. Agents on different machine in the same machine. Performance. So this A2A involves network delay, which is slower, and sub agents are faster. So this is best for real time. Next, language or framework. If the other agent is written in Java or Node.js, use A2A. If both the agents use Python or ADK, use subagent. Contract. A2A requires a proper API contract like services talking. Some agents don't, they live in the same code. So these are the decision table where you need to decide when to use A2A and when to use local sub-agent. So in this tutorial, we'll simulate both agents locally, both running on localhost for learning purpose. In production, product catalog in a agent, customer support agent, they would communicate over the agent using A2A protocol. So what we will build here? So we will show how a customer agent and a product analog agent works together. So here we can see customer support agent. This is your company, and product catalog agent is the external vendor. So think of it like a chatbot, and it is the Flipkart website. So the customer asks a query. This customer support agent send it to the product catalog agent using A2A protocol. Then the product catalog agent, that is Flipkart, sends the product data to the chatbot or customer support agent. Then this chatbot answers to the customer. So this is what happens in almost every website. Next. So in this tutorial, we will be completing 6 steps, that is create the product catalog agent. We need to create it. then expose via A2A, make it accessible using to A2A. Then we need to start the server, create the customer support agent, test communication, then understand the flow. So now let's get started with the Kaggle notebook. Before going to that, make sure your phone is already verified with this Kaggle notebook. Then we need to make our own copies. So click on copy and edit. So an editor will be opened where we can edit and run our codes. Okay. So this is the editor where you can run and edit your code. So first, before doing this, you need to generate a key, that is API key. So how you can generate that? Simply go to Google Studio, Google AI Studio. Click on create API key. If you already have a key, no need to create it. So if anyone doesn't have, you can create from here, create API key. And then go with the process. I have already uploaded a video on this. You can check it out. Now come back and click on ads on and click on secrets. So see, there is no key added to this. So what you need to do is click on add secret. If you get something like here, one box will, if you get Google API key, then you just need to tick it. If you don't get anything here, just click on add secret. Here enter, near enter label, just scroll down. You can get Google API key. Copy this exactly and paste it here. Next here near value, paste your secret key. After pasting the secret key, click on save. Go to Google AI Studio, copy the secret key and paste it here. After pasting, click on save. Then check this box so that it will be hidden. Okay. So after that, we need to authenticate this notebook. So first run this code. So this cell should be run to access the Google API key. I have already told about what is the purpose of this in detail in my previous video. Please check it out and wait for few minutes. If you get setup and authentication complete, then you are done with this. Next, import ADK components. Select this and click on run. So if you don't want to get any error or if you want to prevent the errors, you can just run this code. So run this code. After running, move down. Then section 1, create the product catalog agent to be exposed. For that, you need to run this code. You should get like this product catalog agent created successfully. Then expose the product catalog agent via A2A. So for that, in order to expose it, you need to run this code. Okay. And start the product catalog agent server. To start the server, run this code. See, you should get like this. So in meanwhile, if you're getting any error, just go and run the configure retry option. Or although if you run that, if you get error, then here three dots there, right? Click on that and click on restart and clear cell outputs. Next, view the auto-generated agent card. To view that, click on this code and just run it. So the catalog agent card looks like this. Next, section 4, create the customer support agent. Now we need to create the customer support agent. For that, run this code. Now create the customer support agent that uses the remote product catalog. For that, run this code. So customer support agent created. Now we need to test. For testing, run this code. So you're getting an error here. It is not an error, it is a warning. Although we'll try to fix this by running configure retry option. So come here and run this. Go back, run this again. So we understand this is only the warning, and now also we got proper output. So you can skip the warnings. Next scroll down. So like we're trying more examples. Run this. So these are just warnings, skip those. Run this also. So you're getting output. So next, understanding what just happened. I already said you that like customer will ask a query, customer agent will go and ask to the product catalog agent. It will send the data, will comes to the customer support agent, then it will reply to the customer. That is the process which will go through here. So what we have just learned. So check out this. Here are some real world applications. So for enhancement, you can add more agents, read data sources, advanced A2A features, deploy the production. Where are the documentations? So go through this all. Then you'll be done with it. Congratulations, you're an A2A expert now. So no submissions are required. For learning more, you can go through these links. If you find this video helpful, please like and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in next videos. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.